Hello everybody and welcome again to WorldTVOnDemand.com, where we talk about everything. But right now we're going to talk about end screen annotations, and I'm going to show you exactly how to install one. Go check it out. So first thing we're going to do, this is your home page on YouTube. And before I get too far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video, please. Now let's click on Creator Studio. And now this is my newest videos that I've uploaded, and I want to promote them a little bit more. So what I'm going to do, and you can do whatever you want to, but I'm going to go over here where it says newest over here, and I'm going to click that, and I'm going to go down and click most viewed, because I want to add those videos into some more popular videos to get people to watch them. Let's go to this one here, how to connect Cody to the internet Wi-Fi. So we're going to click on edit. And it's going to bring up the edit page so you can do all kinds of things, info settings, enhancements, audio, end screen annotations, cards, and subtitles. So right now we're going to concentrate on end screen annotations. So you're going to click on that button. Now it's going to set it up where it thinks that it's best for you to add an annotation. And being I'm standing in this area here, this one actually put me, put it over there. Let's see if I can make that smaller. I'll make it smaller. I'm bringing it down here. So that's when it's already in there. So now we're going to put a new one in from one of the new videos. So I'm going to click right here where it says Add Element. Click. And we're going to click Video Playlist. Click Create. I'll click right here, choose a video. And now I'm going to click, let's see, let's just click, let's see, which one? This one right here is a good one. This one right here is a good one. So let's do this one. 300 Cody add-ons, just one source file. So we'll click on that one and click down here where it says Create Element. And now it added it to the screen here. Now you can put it wherever you want. I wouldn't put it over your phone number or anything like that. So it's going to be at the end of the screen. And also you can click right here where it says Preview. Just click Preview. Now you can adjust those a little bit. Let me see what I'm saying here. You guys have a great day, and I'll have another video for you soon. See you later. So that was okay, but I think that I want to, don't hesitate to call me, and I think I want to move these down just a little bit. I think I want just a little, I don't need them on there quite that long, so I'm going to go down to there. I'm going to drag this one down to here, and then it gives me a little bit more Wi-Fi or connecting to Ethernet to your World TV On Demand media player. So this is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. You guys have a great day, and I'll have another video for you soon. See you later. So that is how you add an end screen annotation to your video to get someone to click on another one of your videos at the end of the video. So you guys have a fantastic day. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll have another video for you soon.